Hello eaters! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Hello eaters! For today's video, I will show you the 2 ways of taco recipe. If you want to know about this, just keep on watching. So this is the first recipe that I will show you is breakfast taco. This is just 3 ingredients and easy to make. So we have tortilla wrapper, egg, and tuna. So now let's assemble. Get your tortilla wrap, add some tuna. I am using San Marino corn tuna. Lastly, get your scrambled eggs and put it on top. And that's it. You have now tuna and egg taco. It is perfect for on-the-go breakfast. So this is how it looks like. And of course, I made some taco for my friends. So in this video, I'm just walking. I am on the way to my school. After that day, of course, we have bonding moment with my friend. We are just having fun, taking pictures, eating, and now we dine into McDo. So this is our order. We have some famous bowl, potato fries from KFC, and we ordered some coffee float in McDo, and of course chicken burger. So first we went to supermarket to buy some taco wrapper. So now this is the second taco recipe. This is a beef plastic taco. So first I'm just boiling my beef, and after that I season it with taco seasoning. When the water is already reduced, I add my minced garlic and minced onion. I just saute it for 2 minutes, then now I just season it with some MSG and oyster sauce. So for vegetable, I have my cucumbers and tomatoes. So now I just heat up my tortilla wrapper. I put some beef, some cucumber and tomato. Then now I just fold it and it's ready to serve. So this is how it looks like. This is a classic beef tacos. This is also perfect for party or movie marathon. So here we just put some beef, cucumber, and tomato and top it with the mayonnaise. If you want to make it spicy, just add sriracha or hot sauce. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!